Hello guys, I welcome you to the channel Nota Bene Tech on Tube, and this video I'm just going to share an application which is from the engineering point of view, and I've actually taken it from the book Introduction to Integral Calculus, Systematic Studies with Engineering Applications for Beginners. I have mentioned the name of the book over here. It has written by three authors. One of them is A.K. Ghosh, and actually I'm just taking these lectures online and actually publishing it through YouTube. So in this video I'm going to share a small bit of the exercise already been mentioned in the book, just to compute the area of a circle with simple techniques, and let's see how many techniques are there to calculate the circle or area of the circle, and how we can use them practically. But right now we're just going to see that for how many ways we can calculate the basic elementary ways of calculating the area of a circle. The first one approach is through radius. And if we have the circle over here, for example, and the radius is here, and pi is for the area of the circle, area is equal to pi r square. So that is the area of circle, and this is the formula. Just to use another, I believe that pen would work out. Area of a circle, for example, over here where r is equal to 6, pi is equal to 3.14, and when you're going to calculate it, the area would be 3.14 into 6 square. Let me calculate by the help of a calculator. 3.14 into 36, that would be into 36, that will be 11304, that will be 11304. So that would be the area of the circle by method 1, that is through radius. I hope the display is clear to you. If not, please mention it in the comment section. And the number 2, how we can calculate through diameter. And diameter over here is like this, that for example radius, getting the double of radius is the diameter, so that is dia is 2r. So if it's in inches, that would be 10 inch. I just put it like this, for example, or mention it like 10 of inches. So radius would be 10 by 2 would be 5. Yet again, putting it in the formula for the area of the circle, pi r square, that would be 3.14 into 5 square, 3.14 into 25, 78.5. And that would be the area of the circle. If you mention it in inches, that's really up to you. Okay, so that would be the second method to calculate the area of a circle to the diameter. Now moving towards the third, how to calculate the area of a circle through circumference. Okay, so we know that the area through the circumference is given by the formula c squared by 4 pi, and c over here is circumference. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to, for example, c is equal to 42 centimeter, and that would be, okay, c is also 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is 2 pi r, and circumference is known as, what is known, circumference is the periphery of the circle, is known as the circumference. This is known as the periphery of the circle. So through circumference we are moved over here, and let's see, c square over 4 pi square, and when it would be, for example, I put it, c is over here, and I'm going to just c by 2 pi is equal to r. R is equal to c by 2 pi, and area is equal to pi r square, and our area is equal to pi c by 2 pi square. So when you put it over here like this, that would be pi c square by 4 pi square, and that would be c square 4 pi of, let me cut it like this, that would be 4 pi, so that would be what, 42 whole square by 4 pi, that would be 1764 by 4 pi, and that would be 441 by pi, that would be centimeter. Okay, and when I'm going to put it like 441 by 3.14, let's see what would be the answer. 441 divided by 3.14, that would be, over here I've just, it would be 140.4 centimeter. So that is the third way of calculating the area of the circle through circumference. And you know the circumference is this part, the periphery, which is the edge of the circle, is known as circumference. So we have done the three. Now we're going to calculate it using, let's see if I have enough space over here. Now I'm going to calculate it using the sector. How to calculate the area through sector. A sector, for example, sector, let's let you know that this is circle, and I'm going to actually draw two lines, a form of a radius, touching the edge of a circle. That will be creating a sector. Okay, and sector would be, for example, I will draw the angle, that would be a 45. So that would be the sector, and that may be also called as the wedge of the circle as well. So area of the sector would be, for example, it's 15 pi